Hello everyone, on this channel I've shown you how to peel beans by hand with a blender. And with a mortar. And because nothing beats freshly peeled beans when it comes to Nigerian peeled beans recipes, today I'll be showing you the best kept secret that Nigerian caterers do not want you to know about. This easy way of peeling beans is not just for commercial Akara and moi moi people. If you prefer freshly peeled beans, you should, because there's a science behind that. You can also enjoy this method of peeling beans in your home. Just go to the market, buy the beans in large quantity. I like brown beans, it's great for everything. Take it to the operators of heavy-duty grinders in Nigerian markets and tell them to break the beans for you, that you will use it for moi moi and Akara. You don't even need to tell them. Once you hand over dry beans to them, they already know it's for cracking, as some of them call it. But tell them anyway, in case they don't know. They have a special setting for this, such that they do not grind the beans. They will only break them into pieces. This is not even supposed to be a secret, because this practice is older than I am. When I was very young, growing up in the cold city of Enugu, I saw commercial Akara women do this. So it's a very old practice that has been kept under wraps. But as always, you can trust me to bring this to the limelight because, you know, I am the bridge between the old generation and the new generation. Have you subscribed to this channel yet? It's free to subscribe to my channel so you can get all these valuable Nigerian gastronomy information delivered to you when I upload new videos. Click the subscribe button below and enable notifications. It takes 1 second. When you get home, store the beans properly in the freezer, in containers. I have a video on how to properly store beans to protect them from weevil attack. Go watch that video. If they use the machine they use in grinding pepper to crack this for you, you do not need to add more pepper during storage. Then anytime you want to cook moi moi or make Akara, take the quantity you need, put in a bowl, pour water to cover it, and leave it for some time to soak, at most 5 minutes. Then rub it off like this. You do not need to exert any pressure at all. All you need is a gentle rub, TLC, and if you pour in enough water, the skin will be separated from the bean seeds. Then you can decant into a sieve. So yeah, this is a far cry from peeling whole bean seeds by hand. If you found this video helpful so far, please hit the like button to appreciate the job I do to bring you informative videos. It helps my channel a lot. Thank you. Sometimes you see whole seeds like this one, but there shouldn't be a lot of these if they cracked the beans properly. If you are an OG viewer on this channel, you already know how I hate beans since time immemorial, but I have always loved moi moi. So when I was much younger, I was always looking for easier ways to peel beans for our Saturday moi moi. Yes, in those days, I looked forward to moi moi Saturdays, prepared with aluminium bowls and cooked in a big pot. Chayo, memories. This task of peeling beans is the #1 reason why lots of people do not want to prepare moi moi and other Nigerian peeled beans recipes. But with this video, I've now given you a total of 4 options for peeling beans to encourage you to use freshly peeled beans in your recipes. You get why? So we now have by hand, using a blender, a mortar, and when you don't have a blender, or your blender just packed up on you, or NEPA has taken your light, or you are peeling a large quantity of beans like the caterers of Nigeria, the cracked or broken beans method is your best option. You see that? Perfectly peeled beans in no time. Then use it as you would any peeled beans. This one, I'm going to use it to cook moi moi, so I mix with ingredients. And grind till smooth. Follow the recipe for peeled beans porridge and akara to prepare those too. My updated recipe for this akara coming up next. Watch out for that. Even if you live outside Nigeria, you can do this to some of the beans you're traveling with to make it convenient for you to prepare peeled beans recipes. I know, you will come and say you have peeled beans and beans flour in Obodo Ibo. Those are convenient, but I'll complete the but in my next video. Bye bye. See you soon.